In this movie, we're going to discuss the importance of analytics and being able to understand just exactly what they are telling you and applying that to make your channel better. As you can see here, I have brought us into the devices section here. And I've done that for a reason. As you can see here, my top device type is mobile phone. And for this duration of, looks like 4 or 5 days up here, we've had a view of 30,000 on mobile phones and about 35,000 or 6,000 on all the rest. So as you can see, the mobile device is about getting the same amount as everything else combined. And I want to show you why I'm telling you this. I created a video over here, and you can see that this video is not really optimized for mobile viewers. It's viewable. Yes, it is viewable, but it could be better. And what I mean by that is when you are looking at or watching a video on a smaller device such as a mobile phone, whatever's displaying on the screen needs to be zoomed in much closer and be much larger in order to be able to see it properly. And one other thing I want to mention about mobile devices, they don't display annotations. So if you refer to an annotation on the screen, you need to be sure that you put that annotation in the description for mobile users so they can find it. So this video here really wasn't optimized for mobile users, and looking at this one here, look how much easier it is to see. All I did was basically just zoom the screen in closer, and it wasn't really anything major I had to do. It was just better editing techniques, being aware of exactly how it is I need to shoot my videos, and this makes it much better for the user in the end. So that was my whole point of that. And going back to the analytics here, you need to be able to interpret what you're seeing and apply that to your channel to make it better. And this will help you grow as time progresses.